Welcome back. In this video, we're going to answer a key question. Why do so many churches choose ProContent? There are a lot of media resources out there. Most of them require you to log in to a separate website, download files, organize them, and then import them into your presentation software. That means more steps, more passwords, more chances for things to get lost or go wrong. ProContent changes all of that. It is built directly into ProPresenter. There's no extra software, no separate accounts, and no complicated file management. When you choose ProContent, you get an entire media library right where you already build your presentations. It's seamless, and it saves you time every single week. Another reason churches choose ProContent is how volunteer-friendly it is. We know most church media teams rely on volunteers. That's why we designed ProContent to be easy enough for anyone to use. There's no tech background required. Volunteers can open ProPresenter, click on the ProContent tab, preview backgrounds, and add them to presentations in seconds. It's simple, fast, and it works. ProContent is also designed for the church at large. Whether you have a small congregation and a projector, or you're running multiple LED walls with advanced setups, there's media for you. All of our visuals are created in 4K and designed to auto loop, which means they look amazing and run smoothly no matter what environment you're in. Affordability is another big reason churches choose ProContent. Many media libraries can be expensive and hard to justify in the budget. ProContent offers one of the most affordable solutions out there while still giving you high-quality visuals. Plus, there's an extensive library of free content available for every church to use. We've partnered with The Chosen to give you access to more than 200 free clips from the series. But the value isn't just in the price or the content, it's the time saved. With ProContent, you don't have to spend hours looking for media across different websites. You don't have to teach your volunteers how to manage file downloads. Everything is already where you need it, ready to go. Churches also choose ProContent because of its consistency. When you browse visuals, you'll notice that every background, loop, and video is designed to fit in a worship environment. They're not just random stock videos. They're created to enhance your worship service and point people to Christ. We also hear from churches that ProContent makes collaboration easier. If you have multiple team members working on a presentation, anyone can open ProPresenter and pull from the same library. There's no risk of someone forgetting to email the files or leaving them on a different computer. It's all built in and accessible. And finally, churches choose ProContent because of its mission. Renewed Vision has been serving churches for over 20 years, and with tools like ProContent, it's an extension of that mission. We exist to help you remove distractions and focus on what really matters most, leading people into worship. So why choose ProContent? Because it's built for the church, built for your volunteers, and built right into the tools you already use. It saves you time, saves you money, and helps you deliver beautiful visuals every single week. In the next video, we'll look at how to get started with ProContent and walk you through the interface inside ProPresenter, and you'll see just how easy it is to use.